Here's a super simple thing you can try to do to rescue a battery that doesn't want to charge. Maybe you stick it on the charger and it'll charge for like a second or two or flash an error and then stop. Now this fix won't help a really old battery that's just worn out, but it might work for you if, in like my case, you didn't use your battery for a long time. I think I left mine outside in the cold all winter, which was not a good idea. When I tried to charge in the spring, the charger would light up for a bit and then stop. It was like it just didn't even hardly recognize that the battery was there, or it was just like, hey, this battery's too far gone, we can't charge it. I am stubborn and I actually got it to eventually charge. So what I would do, oh, by the way, this is a Greenworks 80 volt battery. Might work for other battery chargers as well. So I would put it on, it would start to charge. We'd do this for like a wee bit, and then it would stop. It would do that, it would stop, then I just unplugged the charger, plugged it back in, it started to charge again for a bit, stopped. I just did that over and over, started, stopped, I don't know, maybe it took like 7 times, I'm not sure. And eventually, I think it just put enough juice into the battery that it recognized it, and then it started to charge. So, nothing too crazy, but if your battery is lighting up and then stopping, just try unpowering your charger for a bunch of times, and maybe eventually it'll actually start to charge, and then you'll be good. Like this happened a long time ago, and since then, it's been good. Hopefully this helps.